What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we got a lot of exciting stuff to go over. So make sure you got a drink, make sure you're strapped down, make sure you are in for this, baby, because it is going to be a good one. So hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And baby, let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing I just want to touch base on real quick, take a look at the preferred share today. We had a jump of over 7%. That is very interesting. Why was there a jump on the preferred share? Seems kind of strange, but I guess time will tell. Just wanted to put that out there. I don't know if you guys realized it, but very interesting. I'm glad I scooped some up there to $1.25. We're back at $1.37. Like I said, these prices are all irrelevant right now. They do not matter because this is just a Fugazi price, and George is going to let us know what the price is here soon. I'm thinking here after probably these January 21st, 2022 options, the Mmat options, I think we'll know a little bit more about the dividend and possibly the drilling process. All right, and of course, if you're not following me, go follow me on Twitter at TerryZ247. I shared this article here where it is a metamaterials price target article of $6.50. And we got a like by a certain someone on that post because I did tag George on this. And if you scroll down to George's likes, boom, there it is. George liked that. So I'm going to say thank you to George for liking the post, man. We're staying strong here in these tough times during the small cap bloodiness red right now. We truly believe in metamaterials and we're not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm going to come back in a separate video and go more over this entire article. I don't want to do the whole video on the article today, but you can go read it on the Twitter account, and I will come back in a separate video and touch base on that. But what I do want to touch base on in here is we got some interesting posts today, guys. That's right, from Danielle Fong. That's right, here on Twitter. We got a lot of great stuff here. We're going to go over some of the pictures that she has. And the first thing I wanted to share here, here is where she did this post, and these pictures are pretty amazing, actually. She said, George Palacaris, show me the 11 clean rooms he's building for nanotech at the metamaterial in my hometown of Dartmouth. You can have this one, he suggests, perfect for your secret project. Let me be the first of use as your hyper girl, I offer. And here is some of the pictures. There you can see George there. And looking pretty good. They got all the framework and all up. There's another picture of George she took. You can see in the room there. Looks like George there on his cell phone. You can see a lot of great stuff. That is so cool that literally we had those sneak peek pictures yesterday, and today we're getting the real deal. So, and there's a good close-up of George. Got his meta mask on. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff right there. Here she says, like Bell Labs, gas, liquids, and supplies in every room. Filtered fuel air gauges, equipment built into walls, should be an awesome lab. George commented back to her saying, it is also a pleasure catching up with you at Danielle. I love your ideas. Looking forward to seeing you at the Photonics West in San Fran next month. The Pleasanton facility is ready for prime time while we expand production. And she said, so excited, let's do it. All right, and here's the next post that I did kind of want to go over. It's kind of where she extends on by saying, let me first be of use as your hype girl I offer. So it sounds like she said about being a hype girl for George here. That's pretty cool, actually. Hype girl, what is that? Are you paid? No, mom, not yet. I just made it up. Well, do you want to be paid? Probably, yeah, but not in dollars. Well, what then? Options? And people here saying options would be definitely better than cash. And, you know, it's just going to be super exciting. I did shoot a message to Danielle, and I just want to disclose kind of what we talked about. I did ask her for permission that it was okay for me to share a little bit of our conversation that we had. So I just wanted to first say that I did get on there and shoot her a message saying thank you for kind of covering these pictures in the facility with George. The community really appreciates it. Like I said, we've been getting pretty tough times here with the stock going down. So getting this pictures here leading into the 2022 first quarter is going to keep our spirits up. That's what we're here for. That's why I make these videos. I don't want you guys selling out, because when the market turns, when the rally starts, you're going to wish you were literally buying this dip down here in the 250s right now. So I did tell her that I had a YouTube channel. I do daily videos on metamaterials, you know, keeping everyone up to date of the news that's going on. I did ask if she'd be up for an interview sometime. She is currently busy right now, but maybe in the future. She did say that she does not rep the company in any way, shape, or form. She is just an old friend of George's. So there you go. I did say, well, she did reply back and say that George said that he is sorry. He can't say anywhere near as much to the retail investors as he would like. We're old friends. Yeah, she said, I don't rep the company in any official capacity. And I told her that, you know, in all my videos, I got this right here, in George we trust. And she did say he is indeed a good guy with the smiley face. She said, thanks for reaching out. Happy to be a friend of the company and to the community. So I just wanted to say thank you, Danielle, for this amazing opportunity and sharing these pictures with the community. We're truly appreciative. And it's super exciting that it feels like it's getting real. We've been waiting for this, man. We've been covering this since like June, I want to say. I've been covering this right towards the end of the merger. We were TRCH merging over to Meta. That's when I started covering. I think my first video might have been back in June or early July of this. So yeah, it's nice to see that we're getting on, you know, getting stuff done here. We've got the pictures here. Nanotech's going to be rocking and rolling. So yeah, super exciting stuff right here. All right, guys. So now I want to bring you the FinTel information, and let's see, what are we looking like here on the FinTel information? First, we are under the short interest. Short squeeze scores of 78.77, ranked 271 out of 5,400 stocks. As you can see, the short shares that are available is 150,000. That was updated 27 minutes ago. Our short borrow fee is still pretty much similar to yesterday at 1.64. But you can see the shorts are back today. They are back. You can see the FINRA short volume ratio, 45.34, man. They are back on it today. So we thought they were leaning off a little bit. Nope, they're back. That's why the stock, as you see here, is down 4.26% today. So that has something to do with it. And hey, we actually got the update here for the aggregate short volume ratio, 59.10. Wow. Whoa, I don't think I've ever seen it jump up like almost 15% from just the FINRA. And then when you add in the CBOE and the PSX, we're at a 59.10. Wow, for today. So they did short us. They really did short us a lot. Let's go in here and take a look. You see down here the short interest daily FinTel updates. This uses the official NASDAQ supplied short interest data, and you can see the short interest percent of float is 12.05% according to that. And the last short interest official NASDAQ data back on December 15 was 13.02%. So we need to go take a look here. Do we have any new buyers? 29. Yes, we do. We got a couple of new buyers in here. Oh, actually, we got a good bit. We got the dimensional ETF, 7,299 total shares. We got a small cap adding to their fund here. 238 shares, dimensional ETF, 825 shares. Another dimensional US core, 2,800 shares. Another one for 3,400 shares. Ultra small cap, 4,200 shares. So there you go. These shares were added probably about 30, 45 days from this file date. We checked it yesterday. It was like October 31st, right around Halloween, I believe. So yeah, nice to see. Like these here are actual investors investing in the company. I love seeing it. These aren't positions that's going to be shorting us or anything like that. These are probably retail size positions. So that's nice to see. And what I like, guys, that they're starting these positions, they're adding to the positions, and they're just going to probably, and as this goes on, this price keeps coming down. We're going to see where these funds, a month or two down the road, where they add to these current positions. They're going to keep adding to it because they're going to keep buying down this dip. And still, no sellers since the 17th. And this wasn't even technically a sell by Jefferies Group. This was just a put and a call just expiring. The options expired is what this was. So technically, if you go back from that, there wasn't a sell since November 23rd. So yeah, super exciting stuff. Now, I can tell you there is a lot of great information in this article here. This one right here. The metamaterials bullish signs points to 650 a share. And like I said, we got the thumbs up from George on Twitter. We're going to come back to a whole separate video on this article, and we're going to put the pieces to the puzzle together. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.